Oh my god. It's got a rod knock for days, that thing. Oh, now he's gonna lift it up. Lift it over the fence. Round. Drew. Look at the drop on that. Oh, brave. Drew, what are you doing? What? So at the moment we're just using a brewer, a recovery truck with a thing on. Andrew's got his hard hat on. Check. I've got mine on. Check. We're going to lift the stairs up, and then the stairs are going to go around here. Those stairs are going to go up this wall, and we're actually going to walk on there because in future we're going to put a hole in the wall up there, and that's going to be our door for our office. And our office is going to be a second floor. Oh my days, look at this geezer. Okay, let's go. We're going to do a second floor here. So at the moment, just hooking it up. End up having my teeth smashed out. Looks good. You want to put these here? I don't have a fucking clue what he's saying. Don't have a fucking clue. He's talking foreign. Oh, stamps. Copier and paid. Copy and paid. That's what they are. Oh, they're fucked now because they're covered in dust. You raise me up. Well, nothing. Mate, he's skilled. I ain't going anywhere near that shit. Don't know what's up with my camera view at the moment. Keeps on going. Drew, just don't get involved. Health and safety. And she's out. So the next thing to do is get it in the hole. It's the wrong way round though, Drew. That's the top. Andrew speaking foreign. Tell you what though, it's good fun like trying to understand what people are saying and try and talk with Google Translate. Ooh, pencils. We've had a little bit of a clean up ish. So now like this area is now in the bin. The area that was down here, all up the floor. Looking forward to painting this hole though. The dyno. The only thing we haven't thought about really is toolboxes and tools yet. That's the next thing. So by the looks of it, he's going to lift it up over the top without crushing his cab. I'm actually filming all this on an iPhone because I just wanted to see what the quality was like. Hope the quality's good enough. Drew's loving life. Look like you're going on shoot. Oh, we're going clay pigeon shooting this week. It's literally squeezing it down now.
We did it automatically.
Oh, it's going to run me over. Fucking health and safety to them. Oh, he's got his wheel stuck. He loves it.
Who else would do that?
Hey?
Would anyone do this in England? No.
Mate, this could go horribly wrong. At least we got it on camera. Oh, Drew standing down there, trying to direct it with a pole. Go on, mate. Hey! Drew, I wouldn't stand there. I want to live! Full extension. That's a scrapyard next door, look. Amazing. Oh, I can see the office roof going through now. Won't even need to bolt them on. We've got the reception here. There's going to be these stairs up here. Going to build some railings, obviously, so people don't die. Oh, mate, I hate heights. But it's all good. So this is the roof. Would not want to fall over there. So I'm just trying to find where we've got a leak at the moment. Probably that joint now. Right there. Look at him trying to get in his cab.
I wanted to play COD tonight.
7 o'clock at night. Drew's moaning at me because he wanted to play COD tonight.
Well, no, it's just took the time to go out and do some.
It's not stupid.
Unnecessary work.
I've been editing videos today. Drew's been playing COD today. We have no alcohol in our system. This is probably why I'm so lively. We're going to the Chinese shop to go and look for some wire, some bamboo sticks, and some rope. Look how happy he looks. We're just pulling up at the Chinese shop. That's the Chinese shop.
A lot of people go out for a beer or something at this time of night after a productive day at work and haven't had
Run, 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 run. Wow, look at all the Christmas. We put Christmas decorations up or what?
Yeah, please don't just get distracted.
I'm not getting
Go
distracted.
look at the light.
Oh, look at the size of those. Come on, Drew, cheer up.
You're fucking mad.
I love this place. This is my happy place. They have like poles and poles of shit everywhere. Mission, find the bamboo sticks.
You mean like these?
This would, yeah. Oh my God, we actually found bamboo sticks.
$2.50.
Right, we need 2 of those. Some wood.
What do you want that for?
To strengthen it.
You strengthen it, it's just solid.
All right, we'll just tape it together then. Let's find some duct tape.
So fucking stupid.
Why is it
Come on,
stupid?
'cause it
Stop
is.
being a knob. I can't believe there was bamboo. Fake. Oh, I'm in the jungle. Can you wear one of these like a sombrero?
Come on, Bert.
There's some duct tape.
Well, what the-
Sniff it out. Duct tape. It's all stuck together. It's good shit. Oh, God.
One of 700 speakers at work. Christmas songs.
It smells like farts in here.
Oh yeah, there's one alley that's particularly wicked.
Is there?
Yeah.
Fishing stuff. Fuck
Okay.
me.
Do we
There's
need a fishing net?
I
No,
don't-
we'll do the fishing net.
dog toys.
String, you said you wanted for some reason.
Want rope.
So random, the shop on it. It's like we're in Christmas and then suddenly we're fishing. Until you're building up.
So we're just getting 20 metres of each. Getting some Pokemon cards. Drew's got chocolate. We bought some Pokemon cards. Haven't bought a pack of those for ages. So we'll open them later when we're bored. We're at the garage. As you can see, they're the only lights that we have. So we purchased, Andrew's there looking all dark and shady. We purchased these, which is rods so we can tie them together. We purchased 1 plug, 2 plug, 3 plug, 20 metres of electrical cable, 20 metres of rope, 5 packets of Pokemon cards. I might tie that to the end of one of the poles and try and javelin the pole through that gap up there. Right, so there's the string, it's duct taped to the end of there. I'm going to try and launch that like a warrior through that gap up there. I would say that's about 6.5 metres off the floor. Drew reckons 3 attempts and he's going home.
Fail. Thank God you're not playing Squid Games. We'd be dead already. So one more chance. I'll do it my way.
Oh.
No.
Yeah, go on. All right, we'll just tape them together. All right. Right, so we need this chair for Drew to stand on. Right. So Drew's standing on it. He's poking it around. Keep going. Keep going. Kind of like... No, it's going through the other side. Keep shaking it. It's going. Right, let's readjust and go again. Look, we bent the end now, so now we can get it up there. Yes, it's on the other side. Keep pushing. Wiggle!
I see the head!
Wiggle!
I see the head!
Wiggle it! Keep wiggling. Yeah!
This is a brilliant idea.
What was you saying to me earlier?
Oh no, we need this to come down.
We needed a heavier rock. Yes!
It's a triumph.
Champion! So now we've got the rope through. We're going to get the electrical cable
How is the light gonna, how are we gonna suspend the light?
on the string.
Right, the string's gonna be there the whole time.
Yeah.
So we're gonna pull the wire through now.
Yeah.
The light's gonna be on the other end of the wire when we eventually put it all the way through.
Yes. Trust me, I got this. That needs to be tied to the end of that for the minute. Now, we're going to pull this back through because you're already on that end. So let me just double test. Then we'll give it a strength test. Perfect. We're going to get this wire here.
You're going to hold the phone, hold the rod, get the electrical out my thing and don't drop it.
Yeah. Right. Here's the electrical wire. Now, go on in, pull it down. So now we're going to wire the white plug onto this end.
The female or the male?
The male on this end.
I was going to do the female on the other one first. It doesn't matter.
We're going to wire the plugs up anyway, so let's prep this and then we can do that. Supposedly Spanish wire is reversible polarity, so it doesn't really matter which way we get it round.
I'm assuming middle's the earth, right?
Yeah. We've got one plug on. That's going to be the end that plugs the light on. And in this box over here, Drew's going to unpack the lights. These are cool lights. We opened up one earlier, wanged it in a plug socket to see what it looks like in the house. Look at the size of that LED beast. Direct from Taiwan.
Fine, isn't it?
So now we've got that end done, and we've got the light done. We've got to screw this bit in. So now we're going to Google some sort of slip knot. Let's look for a knot.
For what?
Do you know boats? Right, you know boats. Do you know knots?
Not really.
You must know a knot.
I know a couple.
Right, can you do a couple decent knot on that so it don't fall and fucking...
If you can tell me what the plan is.
Right, we need to just tie that to that, basically.
Right.
So we need to do it so that can lift up when we pull it
How
up.
are you going to do it?
We don't need to undo it.
Okay.
So it needs to be a forever knot. You hold it then, I'll do it, don't worry.
No, you don't know what you're doing.
I'm going to make a knot. This ain't a boat.
The knot requires the other end of the road.
I've watched enough magic trick programs to know that.
Anyone can just do a shitty knot.
You're meant to be the boat man.
Yes, and I've tried to do a boat knot and it doesn't work. It's not a boat.
It could be. Whatever your imagination is what you can make your life.
Oh, hang on, I fucked up. Hang on.
What, you know how to do the knot?
Yeah.
So I don't have to make myself look like...
You're completely right.
I don't have to make myself look like a knob.
There's no guarantees.
No, but what, that I don't look like a knob? You got this, Drew. Oh my God, looks really technical. Oh my God, look at that.
It didn't work.
Oh, okay.
That's what I mean. You've got to wait to get the right way. There's a few ways. It's all to do with this way. If you do it that way, or you do it that way.
Okay.
So that's what I need to play with. Okay. Sometimes I get it first go. Sometimes I don't. It's called a bosun.
I'm bearing. It's called a what? Oh yeah, but it's too low here. It needs to be further down.
That's what you're going to get, but it is what it is, mate. How are you going to fix this?
You don't?
How are you going to tie it? Where are you going to tie it?
Just down there for now, so we can lift it up and pull it down.
So when we come and do it again properly,
Yeah.
cherry picker.
But it means for tonight.
Temporary fix.
Temporary thing, so that we can actually see in here in the evenings when we're in the evenings. Yeah. Yeah. So it was worth the €75. Yes.
Nope.
Oh, there we go.
Look, I am a positive person, okay, but working with Fraser.
Right. Are you confident in your knot that is not going to break?
Absolutely not.
Okay. We're like that Lee Poo and Bernie, but I'm Lee Poo with my creative mind, and you're Bernie. So this is now where it gets magical, right? So
Go on, it's worth €60. Fuck it. Success, look at that.
swinging, but for now what we're going to do is we're going to pull this over here, like this, Drew.
Yep. Just for now, yeah? Fasten it off.
Just for now.
Should we do another knot? Oh, that's the airline.
We're going to go around the airline. For like, what? 25 minutes worth of work, or 20 minutes worth of work.
We've got light.
We have a light, and hopefully it'll be bright as fuck. Right, so now, there we go. Let's plug it in already. So there's some mathematical thing, the height versus the lumens versus the spread.
Okay.
Oh, you want me to do it?
Oh, yeah.
Take that then.
Oh, yeah. The right hand side one, yeah.
Not the left hand. Right, you ready?
Yep.
Look at the light.
Wow, look at that. It's daylight.
That is a banging light. Knock the other ones off and see how bright it is. Yeah, look. That. Oh, fuck. I can't see now. Hold on.
There's no shadow, but, what?
Yeah, but we're going to have LED lights up there anyway, and it's going to be black. How much nicer is that? That's literally like daylight.
It's better than daylight because it doesn't really get up.
Oh, you know what we've got to do? We've got celebratory Pokemon cards. Why are you running away? I think tonight is being successful, and that allows us to come up here in the evenings now.
That's what we wanted to do, right?
Yeah, I'm going to have a look at some. I'm going to look at some other bits now before we go, but I don't know what we're going to do tomorrow. What's the plan for tomorrow? Finish off inside there. Plumbing. We've got to do plumbing tomorrow. We've got to do where the toilet is. And yeah, we're just going to knock some shit off. We're going to go get some tools in the morning and catch us in the next video.